In today's video, we're going to check out the Framework SD expansion card module. Let's jump on in. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Jscar. Today we're going to go through and unbox the Framework SD expansion card. It does support UHS-1 and UHS-2, so it'll let you transfer data to and from the SD cards of all available capacities. As always, the packaging is all with cardboard, so taking it apart is super easy. It is the exact same size as your other modules, not oversized like the Ethernet module that you can get from Framework. So with this, let's go ahead and grab a full-size SD card and plug it in and see how far it plugs, if it's all the way flush or if it's gonna stick part way out. Okay, so it's a part way out, that works out great. Let's go ahead and get our first laptop and demo how this thing looks. So I'm going to grab my 16-inch, which I have now made my daily driver. I have done a couple modifications, including adding these spacers to the back so it gets better cooling when I'm gaming. Past that, let's unlock it and pop out the audio jack, and let's go ahead and slide this SD expansion card right in, lock it in place, and then you're going to have the SD card facing up when you plug it in now. And let's jump on in. I'm currently running Fedora 40, and what I go through and boot up is we're going to log in, and then we're going to open up the disk utility that's built into most Linux OSs. You can go through and see it here at 128. I plugged in a different SD card at this point and then did a benchmark, and the top speed with that one, according to the SAN disk and the marking, is 140 megabytes per second. This is a U1 class 10, not the one in the video, but it was able to go through and read up to that speed, which is great. I then went through, grabbed my Framework 13-inch, and went ahead and installed that, did the same test there. Everything worked out great, no problem whatsoever. This time we just push the button down, we can slide it on out. We'll put the HDMI back in, and lastly, I also wanted to check with the Framework and Master Cooler collab to be able to put your external or your upgraded motherboard in. And the great thing is, if it slides in one place, it slides in everywhere. This locks in really well. In fact, it's probably better lock-in than the 13-inch, and it works out great. So overall, very happy with this. Glad to have added it to the arsenal that I'm keeping in my backpack, daily driving, and look forward to using it more often. Now with that, if you have any questions or things that you want me to test, let me know in the comments below. Like, subscribe, and we'll see you online next time.